Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday and I'm filming a weekend day in my live vlog. So basically during Saturday and Sunday I take things very slow, very light, and yeah, that is the day today. So basically I don't study for long hours, I don't work for long hours, I just relax, I just do self-care and pampering and all of that stuff. And yeah, and I just had my breakfast right now, which was corn chaat, which turned out to be very good because earlier I used to either boil it and have it or just have it by वो चूल्हे पे डाल के. So today I just experimented with making corn chaat. It turned out to be very good, to be very honest, and just try it out. If I have shared the recipe as well, try it out and let me know in the comment how you like it or how it turned out for you. And pro tip here is just add a lemon juice over it because it gives us such a tangy flavor and it shows the flavoring. So yeah.
One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl.
Okay guys, so I just came out and it's so hot outside. Yesterday only itself it rained and it was so cold, but it suddenly started like heating me up, and I don't know why this happens, to be very honest. Like some days it's super cold, some days it's really hot. But anyways, as planned, we are gonna make mango shake right now, and yeah, let's do that. Okay guys, so I have just kept my camera in a very weird angle because I don't have my tripod right now and I can't help as well. So let's start making. Okay, so I'm just gonna make with 2 mangoes because I just like making fresh and just drink it on the spot, because keeping a refrigerator or keeping a fridge doesn't give me that taste. So I'm gonna make it very fresh and we're gonna have it. Take out all the mango pulp inside the jar. And the color looks so beautiful. It's so yellow and so delicious, and I have more yellow as well. And the main ingredient to our mango shake is ice cream. So I will be adding 2 to 3 or 4 scoops of ice cream because I love ice cream ka flavor in mango shake. So I will be adding 2 to 3 4 scoops. Oh god, it got so freezed, you know. It is so thick and it looks so delicious. Like, oh my god, it's so thick. I just need to add more milk, I guess. Okay guys, तो अभी हम अंदर आ चुके हैं, लेकिन अभी तो सब काम बाकी है, वो सब मैं कर लूँगी फटाफट. अभी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चलने वाला है, लेकिन अभी लिंक नहीं आया, पता नहीं क्यों. लगता है सर लोग ऐसे बोल रहे थे क्लास लेते रहते. बट एनीवेज अभी क्लास नहीं हो रहा है तो मुझे बस काम निपटा लेना है, जो कि कर लेती हूँ मैं. बेस्ट लाइफ वी आर लिविंग, क्योंकि मेरे को कोई टेंशन ही नहीं काम का. मैंने लिटरली मैं हर दिन अपना दिन का शुरुआत दोपहर से करती हूँ. लिटरली सुबह के टाइम पूरा वेस्ट जाता है. इधर आई हैव टू गो टू मार्केट विद माय मॉम और मैं कुछ हाउस चोर्स कर देती हूँ. दैट्स इट बस. बट अपने मम्मी पापा को हेल्प करो यार, कि गर्मी है तो वो लोग भी हमेशा किचन में नहीं रह सकते, राइट. हेल्प योर मॉम. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट अपने आप को थोड़ा टाइम भी दिया करो और अपने कामों को टाइम दिया करो. बस अपने हाउस चोर्स मत करो, बट डू नॉट फॉरगेट अपने मम्मी पापा को हेल्प करो. इतनी गर्मी है. अभी मैं बस फैन ऑफ की 2 मिनट बोलने के लिए और गर्मी चालू है. बट एनीवेज आई विल नॉट स्पीक मच और अभी काम चालू करते हैं. तो यस. Okay guys, so every day when I sit for studies, I make sure that I make a to-do list so that I am accountable of whatever I am doing. But from few days, I am not at all accountable to my to-do list. Even I am creating it, I am not able to follow up. Let me show you how the to-do list looks like for a day, but I don't end up doing all the tasks. So I am working on it, how to like improve it or that sort. कि मेरे को थोड़ा सा improvement करना है अपने to-do list, because I create a lot of I add a lot of tasks in my to-do list, but I end up doing nothing. So I need to work on my to-do list. And
When a rainbow's over you, kiss no one needs to know. It's like a dream I dream, Peter Pan for you. Oh my, oh, la 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 light, bright moonlight, only one that I take from starlight. Night.
okay guys, so just done with my 2.5 hour study / work, and I will just go ahead and have my dinner because I'm super sleepy. because I didn't slept afternoon. Okay guys, so I apologize for not keeping my words that I told you that I will be uploading regular vlogs, but it is not coming out because it sucks when it comes to regular uploading, and I am extremely sorry for that. Number 2, I was just experimenting with something like regular daily vlogs, but it didn't work out for me and I majorly failed at it. So it doesn't matter, but I can promise you that I will be uploading at least twice a week, and I hope you shower love as much as you did in my previous video. And yeah,